Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to create a shortcut for Instagram hashtags, so you don't need to type in the hashtags all the time. What you want to do is go to Settings, then you click on General, and then on Keyboard, and here you want to click on Text Replacement. Now you want to click on the plus, and in the phrase section you just want to copy your hashtags. Let's say I use these ones. Then just go on copy and paste them in here. And now you want to use a shortcut for this. I'm using, for example, IG for Instagram, and then just hit save. And now if you use this shortcut word that you just applied, for me it was IG, then you can see here on the bottom, you can just click the hashtags and they're here. Okay, that was a little hack on how to create an easy shortcut for Instagram hashtags. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.